It is my pleasure now to say, we can now move to the next session of our symposium today, and that's going to be a session that's going to be moderated by Dr. Theresa Maldonado, good friend and colleague that I've known for many years. She's presently Vice President for Research and Innovation at the University of California Office of the President, and she also is a member of our committee. So without further ado, I think to go to the next session that will relate to our research centers. Dr. Maldonado, it's yours. The floor is yours to take.
Thank you so much, Dan. And good morning, everyone. As Dan said, my name is Theresa Maldonado, and he mentioned that I'm at the University of California System. I am also former director of the Engineering Education and Centers Division, and I'm a proud member of this organizing committee. So welcome to the third session of the symposium, which highlights NSF centers. The Engineering Directorate has been innovative with their centers programs, and they have stood the test of time. The Engineering Research Centers program, or ERCs in particular, is a hallmark of the Directorate and is a gold standard for NSF as a whole. Other center programs launched by the Engineering Directorate include the Industry University Cooperative Research Centers, the Earthquake Engineering Research Centers, the Nanoscale Science and Engineering Centers, and the Network for Computational Nanotechnology, and there are others. Since 1985, only 4 years after the launch of the Engineering Directorate, the Centers program have served as 10-year longitudinal platforms for not only advancing important research, but also preparing students for lifelong careers, developing true partnerships with industry and other stakeholders, impacting engineering as well as K through 12 education, and driving innovation ecosystems around the country. They bring many stakeholders to the table to achieve collective impact. They have impacted how engineers think. They have focused on broadening participation as a core value, and they have played a central role in producing breakthroughs that address national challenges, launch whole new industries, and create new opportunities. This session will highlight some of these contributions through the presentations by engineers we have here today who have served as integral part of the center's many achievements. The session will feature a lead-off presentation, followed by 6 talks, and finally a roundtable discussion. There will be a short break after the second presentation, or the talk, I should say. So let's get going.